In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to personalize your call notifications or simply want to update your settings for a fresh start, this easy process will help you make that change in no time. First things first, let's launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once you have Teams open, you should see your profile picture in the top right corner of the window. Click on your profile picture. This is your gateway to accessing various personal settings within Teams. When you click on your picture, a drop-down menu will appear presenting a list of options. From this list, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can customize different aspects of your Teams experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Devices tab. This section allows you to adjust the settings related to your audio and video devices, which include things like your microphone, speakers, and camera. Click on Devices and you'll find that the interface changes to show a variety of device-related settings. As you scroll down the page, you'll enter the Ringtone section. Here you can customize the ringtone for incoming calls on Teams. The current ringtone will be shown, and there will be a drop-down menu that allows you to select a different one if you prefer. Click on this drop-down menu where you'll find a list of available ringtones. Take a moment to listen to a few and decide which one suits your style or stands out the most so you'll never miss a call. Once you have found the ringtone you like, simply select it from the list. Changing your ringtone in Teams can not only add a personal touch to your notifications but also serve practical purposes. If you're in a busy setting, for instance, choosing a louder or more distinctive ringtone can help ensure that you don't miss important calls. Remember, you can revisit and change these settings at any time if you ever want to switch up your ringtone or if your preferences change. Just follow these same steps to access the ringtone menu and make a new selection whenever it suits you. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Hopefully this new ringtone will keep your experience fresh and ensure that your calls are as noticeable as you need them to be. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks on getting the most out of Microsoft Teams.